your bag. You better get in your bag. Your bag. You better get in your bag. Yeah. Your bag. You better get in your bag. Your bag. Fuck what you heard.
What's up, y'all? This is Keisha and Aria of Mo Runners Logistics LLC. Alright, well, we are taking some home time here in Indianapolis, Indiana, and we just got the first maintenance for our truck done here in Indy a couple days ago. And we're just coming to you guys to chat a little bit about that experience and show you some receipts and let you know how that went. So first we took it in for a PM, which is preventive maintenance, and we went with Love/Speedco. So we went over to the Speedco here in Indy, and Aria actually took that over. So I'm gonna let her tell you guys a little bit more about it.
Okay, yeah. So I went and got a PM. I was in and out probably like 45 minutes. I paid $400. Yeah, $400.
The standard oil change, I didn't get synthetic. Actually, with the standard oil change, you can go like 15,000 miles, maybe 20, before you would need another one. But with the synthetic oil change, they said you can go 40,000 miles before you would need another oil change, and it's like a extra $120. That's what I'm going to get next time, because with us being a team, 20,000 miles, we do that in a month. We got, see, on our truck we have a 2017 Freightliner Cascadia, and it has 2 fuel filters on there, so, and 1 oil filter. So we got all those filters changed and the engine filter.
Okay, so how did the process go? Were you allowed to stay in the truck, or how did that go?
Well, you can stay in the truck. I wait in the waiting room, because you can look right outside the window and see them doing the work and everything. And yeah, the process is real smooth. Luckily, was nobody there. Had to actually go find somebody to come service me.
What time of the day did you take it in?
It was about noon. Yeah, about noon, around that time. So yeah, it was pretty smooth. But the next thing we did was our APU PM, Thermo King. Now, actually, the prices I saw when I took it the same day was like $200, anywhere from $200 to $250 for the PM. But they were busy, so she took it the next day, and surprisingly, she only paid $172. So from now on, she's gonna go.
Well, okay, so yeah, so I took it over to the Thermo King Midwest in Indianapolis as well, and I got there around 8:15 in the morning, and I waited about 10-15 minutes, and they pulled me right into the shop. I was not allowed to wait in the vehicle for insurance purposes, they said, so they had a driver area. So I just waited over there, and like she said, I paid $172.40. Oh, this is our dog mess. But yeah, so $172. It took about...
Oh, you scared her.
I say it took about an hour and 15 minutes in and out. And I will say that before we took it in for the PM, it was, when we turned it on, it was real loud and sounded like it was struggling, like a lawnmower almost. And after we had it serviced, I went into the shop, and the mechanic had it running smooth as a dream. I'm like, wow, that sounds a lot better. So this PM, the receipt says that the corrective action taken was just a PM, and that he did not find any issues with the unit. But like I said, it sounded a lot different when we went to pick it up than it did before.
And well, as far as going to Thermo King for PMs, you want to probably get there as early as possible, because they service trailers over APU. So if a trailer come in, needs work done, they'll stop working on your equipment or whatever. So get there as early as possible. You can't really set an appointment, because like I said, trailers over APU. So that's all I had to say about that.
Yeah, and
keep all your receipts for
always.
everything, because it's a tax write-off.
For sure. And well, I just want to say, well, we spent about $600, on this first preventive maintenance, and we'll probably have to do at least a PM for the truck and the APU maybe like once a month. A little less for the APU, because we're a team, we run most often, so we don't really run the APU like that. But
and that's every 2,000 hours, so we're not going to use that in a month.
Right, but for the PM, it's probably going to be about once a month, once every 4 or 5 weeks, depending on how we're running. So
yeah, but the APU, I think it's real easy to try to change the oil. So I mean, you can YouTube that, but save some money that way.
Yep. Well, So overall, it's been a smooth experience for our first maintenance for our truck. Hopefully, we'll keep up preventive maintenance, and that'll prevent us from having any breakdowns or unexpected maintenance costs in the near future. So,
Like, that's it.
that's it. Signing out. First
Mud
maintenance. Mud runners, baby.